Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Gonna make some chicken and pasta today. So we've got garlic, lemon, chicken, which we're gonna fry. Then we're gonna make a lovely, simple tomato sauce. Pasta, I'm using penne. You can be using any pasta that you want. Get it all together, it's super delicious. And as you can see, got some chili in there, a little bit of a kick. Let's get moving. So let's get started here. So the chicken I'm using today is chicken thigh, skin is off, bone is in. Now you can be using any chicken part that you want, skin on, bone off, up to you. That's what I'm going with today. I like this kind of nice dark meat. Equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice, like a teaspoon each of oregano and thyme, tablespoon of garlic. We're gonna add a bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna get a mixing bowl, get all that in. Okay, chicken is in. Lemon juice or lime juice if you wanted. Olive oil, try and use a nice quality olive oil if you can. Equal parts there. Oregano and thyme, that's what I'm using today. You could change that if you wanted. Plenty of garlic. Salt. Some black pepper. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna give that a little mix. Now, I'm gonna go straight to the cooker with this one, but if you wanted, shrink wrap that, plastic wrap it, or cling film it, whatever you call it. Get that in the fridge overnight. Fantastic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and all that stuff, will ya? All right, so here we are. Got a dry skillet there on a medium heat. We're gonna drop our chicken and that lovely marination in. So the chicken is in with the marination. Medium heat, not crazy, about 8 minutes, and flip it every now and then. Super easy, this one. Okay, beautiful. The lemon has evaporated off now. We're gonna fetch these out, but keep that oil there. We're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so we've got some lovely flavors there, so no need to waste that. We're gonna start off by dropping in onion, just a small onion, cut small. Garlic, like a tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm gonna add some dried red chili. You don't have to put that in, but I think it's beautiful in there. Medium heat, 4 minutes. I'll see you then. Wonderful stuff. Next up, we're gonna add in 1 can of tomatoes. They were whole plum tomatoes. And what I've done is I just crushed them up roughly. A little bit more oregano, like a teaspoon there. Salt, black pepper. And we're gonna let this go on the medium heat for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And this is pretty much done. It's gonna be delicious, super easy, super tasty. Okay, so that's looking absolutely wonderful. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna grab our chicken, reintroduce it into the sauce. And we're gonna go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Nice gentle heat. Pretty much done. Fantastic stuff. Okay, what we're going to do now is take the chicken out. Keep the heat on, because what we're going to do next is we're going to pop in our pasta. I'm using a penne pasta. You, of course, can be using any type that you'd like. So I've got my pasta here, cooked already, still a little bit hot. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go about 3 to 4 minutes getting some sauce in, on and around the pasta. Then I'll see you at the table. Okay, Serving bowl, pasta's in. Chicken on the top. Got yourself a nice little easy meal here. Like really tasty. One in the center there. There's our chilies. I fetched them out to put on top for a little bit of show. A little bit of parsley, fresh parsley on there, or fresh basil. Job done. Super easy, super delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. Helps us out a great deal. And say hi in the comment section. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.